going on, guys? Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, mostly talk about Amazon, how to make money with Amazon, how to create your Amazon account, Amazon FBA, how to do retail arbitrage, and a bunch of other stuff. Amazon seller, this video is for you. Or if you're planning on starting your Amazon journey, this video is also for you. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to save money on your label. A customer purchasing an item to you, and let's say you didn't send this product to Amazon to do Amazon FBA, purchase the label through Amazon. You know, those labels can be like a little bit pricey sometimes, especially if you're shipping your product to Texas and Ohio. If you live in the Florida area and you're shipping to Florida, it's not that expensive, but to ship those products out of state, it can be like really expensive. Better than nothing. So even though it's not for Amazon, let's say you want to ship a product to your friends and family, you want to ship this product, instead of going to UPS and have them create the label for you, they're gonna charge you extra. So you can also create your own label on this website I'm gonna show you guys and pay the label. So you don't have to pay like a lot of money in the USPS post office or and fit the carrier you shipping your product to. So let's get right in the video. Alright, first thing first, you're gonna open like your page. You're gonna go into Google, then you're gonna type on pirateshipping.com. Okay, so once you get on this page, you're gonna go ahead and create your account. It's free to create your account, so you don't have to pay for it. So you're just gonna go here and create your account. So let me just put like an email, so don't worry about it. I'm not gonna use this email probably. I mean, or I can hide it. So you're just gonna create a password. I'm just gonna put whatever I want for this password. So provide your physical address. So it's basically you're gonna put like your own address. So I'm just gonna hide those. I mean your full name. Your address. Miami, Bethel. Your zip code. I mean your phone number, why not? So, and then you're gonna press on create. It's loading. So so now your account is created. So now you can go up and say create a shipping label. Okay, basically where it says ship to, let's say I was sending this to whatever the person and I put the email. Let's say this one is the email address for the person. You can also add the phone number. You can add the phone number like Amazon use on this, on the customer put on their shipping label, and whatever. So it's just whatever, and then you put the name of the customer. Then you can put the company, like let's say the company is I mean it's optional, it's only if you want to. So it's only if you want to. So basically the address the customer put on the shipping label on Amazon or any product anywhere you're shipping this product to, you can just add the you know what, let me use like a real address so I can show you guys how about like how the price gonna be. So I'm not gonna show you guys the person's address, but Okay, so let's say this one is optional, and I'm not gonna put this one. So right here, it's the same thing. It's the same process when you ship your product to Amazon. So you have to put like the dimension of the product, the dimension of the box, right? Let's say I'm shipping this product on a 12 by 12 box. And how many pound is this box? Let's say the box is like 8 pounds and 1 ounces. I mean, that's so now you're gonna go down and say get a weight. Okay, priority mail. So instead, let's say if you had to go to the post office, you have to pay like $12.90. But on this app, you just gonna pay $9.21. So when the label come out, let's say you buy label, right? So you put your card, your information. It's the same thing. You just gonna print the label. So the label gonna have a barcode. It's basically the same process when you ship a product. It's just like you use this one so you can save a little bit of money on your label. So let me show you guys another address. The only reason you see this one is because like that's the address I use. So let's see if I was using address form 1350. So I'm gonna put this address like in Texas, and the customer name is a Rachel Lizare. Okay, my name is it's Lizare, whatever. So and then the box is 12 by 12. You're just gonna put the same dimension, the same weight, and the pound is like 7 pounds. Just an example, and then go down here and get a weight. So now they show you like the cheapest option to ship this product, which is $13, right? And if you had to go to USPS, it's like $27. And I know that for sure because I used to ship product like in Texas, and it will cost me like over $30 to $50 to ship like just a 12 by 12 box and 7 pound. Like I usually like put 8 pound, but look at like how many money you could save on this product. So on this label, I mean, so you basically buy your shipping label, then print it out, and then put it on the box. It's the same thing, the same process. So that's all I wanted to talk to you guys about. It's a really short video. I hope you guys understand everything. If you have any question, please DM me on Instagram. So I'll put my Instagram on my Instagram. I mostly like do fashion if you wanna follow me there. But if you have any question too, you can slide on my DM and ask me question or comment down below, and I always like make sure I read and answer all the comments. Okay, so don't be shy and comment. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new today and save you a little bit more money on your label, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.